Our next story is about the famous Nadi Jyotish. Legend has it that India's rishis became so adept at Jyotish that they were able to generate horoscopes of people who were not yet born and to predict salient patterns in their lives. These horoscopes were carved on palm leaves. After these rishis produced a river of such birth crafts, the gods, alarmed at this challenge to their omniscience, sent a great fire which destroyed most of the collections. Those fragments of the Nadi that survived are handed down from parent to child in certain families of Indian astrologers who act as their custodians. Each Nadi collection is reputed to contain the horoscopes of only those individuals who are destined to consult that particular collection. Nadi is a special type of Vedic astrology. Only thumb impression, right for men and left for women, are required for searching for a person's horoscope. Nadi astrology proves that there is reincarnation. The most beautiful thing about Nadi is that it provides remedies to mitigate any undesirable results occurring from past life. Nadi astrology is so famous that even Discovery Channel is interviewing the Nadi astrologers from past 20 to 25 years.
వర్షానికి నీ ఆయుష్యం బాగుండదు గుండె నేపిస్తుంది నీ పళ్ళంతో నీ కాపురం భూగండుదు కానీ నువ్వు ఇవ్వని నాల సర్పు పుంజాతో తీయచ్చు మాడి వస్తావు 40 వర్షానికి.
సరే సరే స్వామి గారు, నేను తప్పకుండా మీ దగ్గర మళ్ళీ వస్తాను. నేను మళ్ళీ మిమ్మల్ని కలుస్తాను. నేను చాలా ధన్య అయిపోయినా మిమ్మల్ని కలిసి. నేను మళ్ళీ మిమ్మల్ని
కలవడానికి 2 వర్షానికి వెళ్ళబోలే.
Yesterday's experience was so thrilling, Tarang. I tell you, I had gone to Nadi Jyotishi in all the way to Parsik Jungle. You know, it was so nice. You know, he predicts the future with just a thumb impression you give. It's
great!
Nice.
That's wonderful.
Yeah, it's amazing. And the main part was, like, he doesn't even charge. First of all.
Oh, it's free of cost.
Second of all, I had no language problem with him. Like, we are the same language, Telugu we speak.
Telugu language.
It was very nice. You should experience the thrill. I didn't go to believe it, you know. I just went for the adventure and thrill, what he'll say. But after going that, I realized it was so nice, you know. You should try it. You should go there.
So, does it tell you the future?
Yeah, it tells you the future, and also he clears the doubt about certain many things. You ask him anything, he has the answer. Anything under the sun, he has.
Oh, I'll definitely go there then.
You should go there.
But I have a language problem.
So you can do one thing now. You can get the translator along with you. He'll help you nicely. It's very nice.
Okay, I have a friend who speaks Tamil.
Yeah, and you know how to reach that Parsik hill. You'll get there. It's just amazing. You have to try it, man.
Yeah, I'll definitely go. Pranam, respected one. I want to know my future.
స్వామి గారు, వీడికి జాతకం చూడాలా?
ముందు నువ్వు అంగుము వేలు ఇక్కడ ఈ దాన్ని పట్టిని ఉక్కు వెతుకుతా కొంచెం ఆపస్తం కావచ్చు.
Tarang, he will take your thumb impression and tally it with the palm leaves. It might take some time.
That's it?
Yeah.
Amazing. This is irritating, man. It's taking so much time.
Have some patience.
నీది అదృశ్యం ఉంది, నీది దొరికింది.
Finally, he has got your palm leaf.
Great.
నీ పేరు తరంగ్ రావుటే.
Your name is Tarang Raute.
Yes.
Aulu.
నీ నాన్నగారి పేరు రాజేష్.
Your father name is Rajesh.
Yes.
Aulu.
నీ అమ్మగారి పేరు నేహ.
Your mother's name is Neha.
Amazing race, right?
Aulu.
నువ్వు ఇన్న చిన్న పొండిది ముంబై ఇన్నగా.
You are from Mumbai.
Yes.
Aulu.
నీ పాడుపూడి జస్ట్ నువ్వు బదా.
You are doing engineering.
Amazing. Yes.
Aulu.
మూడు వర్షాన్ని ఇనెక్కి పగిలింది.
You had a head injury at the age of 3.
Yes.
Aulu.
నీ లైఫ్ ను చదువు 2 వర్షాలు బాలే.
Your education is in bad phase past 2 years. Avunu.
నీ ప్రేమ వివాహం చాలా బాగుంది.
Your love life is going on smoothly.
Yes.
Avunu.
నీకు గమంగా మలేరియా ఇచ్చిండా.
Few months ago you were down with malaria.
Yes, Baba, yes.
Avunu.
ఒక వర్షానికి నీ విధి ఉద్యోగం, 1 వర్షానికి ఉద్యోగం.
Next year you will be getting placed in software company, but still you will prefer to go for management in abroad.
Amazing.
Avunu.
బిల్లకడి ఇల్లకల్లి బిలిగిలి ఎన్న పళ్ళాయి.
You will be getting married at the age of 28.
దాన్న తర్వాత అల్లిగడ్డ బాణ పడదావు.
You will be blessed by male child.
నీకేమంట అడగా ఎలాగ అడుగు.
Ask any questions if you want.
Oh, great. That's always very included in my future. So, Baba, you just said I'll be going into a management institute. So, will I be able to do my job in foreign countries?
Joli veri ka ari ko.
లేదు నువ్వు భారత నుండి ఉంటావు.
No, your job will be in India only.
Oh, okay. So, my second question is, my grandmother is not doing well these days. So, how long will she get to be fine now?
Amuma Sharia Arikam.
2 ఇల్లు పడుగడ పారంద పుచ్చుడి.
She will be perfectly fine in 2 to 3 months.
Okay. And one last question, Baba. I always cherish a dream of building my own house somewhere. So, will I succeed in that?
End Veera Andam.
లేడు కష్టం.
No.
Oh, okay.
నీ చావు రోజు నాకు తెలుసు, చెప్పమంటావా?
Your date of death is also mentioned. Do you want to know it?
No, Baba. I'll make my own destiny.
Manchit.
Okay, Baba. That's all I want to know. Now, I'll be leaving. Thank you, Baba.
మంచిది.
How can Nadi Jyotish say someone's past, present and future by taking his mere thumb impression, and that too with so much accuracy and precision? Is it really true that the future of so many people were written by Agastya Rishi thousands of years back? The answers to all these questions is still